So in this video, we'll be doing uh, plotting charts on Excel. So this is also a part of the series. If you haven't watched it, go and check my series or my playlist on Excel. So let me say I'm interested in knowing which day. This is the company that I run. I don't know its name. This is our orders. Okay, so likely we got to get orders before even establish things like name of the company. It's very rare case. Okay, so we are lucky enough. We want to find which day are we selling the most. Like we want to know which day is working. So we want to know the order date. Maybe we're interested in the order date versus the quantity ordered. So we want to see which day we literally had good sales, right? So we can, maybe it's a month thing. Want to see, oh, maybe on the Mondays we do better in terms of sales. So maybe we could say like on this day we order more stuff. I don't know what is our point in our company, so I literally know nothing about my company. So I'm going to highlight the data that I'm interested in. So I'm interested in this data of order date and order quantities. So then I'm going to say insert, and then insert. Okay, let me say I was here on home. I can go insert, and I want to insert a chart. Let me say for date. I think line graphs are good, so that I can see the trend on which dates am I selling. Or maybe I could try charts, so that I can see which day am I doing good, right? So this is it. So I just selected my chart here. So now I can when I'm done, I can actually edit things like sales. The title I can edit it like sales versus date. I don't know what my intention are. I can also come here and edit things like my x-axis. You see, I can put them there. I can put data, everything, labels. I can put the legends and what's not. So I can actually edit all these things. So this is all what you need to know in chat work with this. So you can actually, for presentation purpose, you can actually change its look. You can make it really look good, make it look, there are a lot of formats that you want to make it look like. So depending if you want to use it for presentation, or you want to show your boss, you want to show him that you're really good at this thing. So you can do all of that and then edit. And yeah, and also one thing about these charts, let me put them aside here. They are live. So I meant to say, what if I come here, I change some data here. I think I have to say 56. See, 56 just jumped up here. So whatever, if you have this charts developed, you don't have to go there and redo them. If you already have them done, you can just plug them in here. So we're good. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with the part of the playlist maybe you wish I could focus on, or maybe you have some questions. Thank you.